Metal shredders. Processes and advantages. This video will take an in-depth look at metal shredders. You will understand more about topics such as what are metal shredders, metal shredding processes, metal crushers, and the working principle of metal crushers. Types of metal shredders. How metal shredders contribute to the economy. Considerations when choosing a metal shredder. Advantages and disadvantages of metal shredding. Maintenance of metal shredders. And much more. Chapter 1. What are metal shredders? Here are some components of metal shredders and their functions. Rotor. Blades. Housing. Motor. Chapter 2. What are the different processes involved in metal shredding? Step-by-step process of metal shredding. Post-processing of shredded metal. Chapter 3. What are metal crushers and how do they work? Working principle of metal crushers. Frequently asked questions. What is the main purpose of a metal shredder? Which components are essential in a metal shredder? How do metal shredders separate different materials? What are the main types of power systems in metal shredders? How does post-shredding processing improve metal recycling? How do modern shredders enhance operational efficiency? Chapter 4. What are the different types of metal shredders? Single-shaft metal shredders. Double-shaft metal shredders. Three-shaft metal shredders. 4-shaft metal shredders. Horizontal and vertical hammer mill metal shredders. Chapter 5. How metal shredders contribute to the economy and considerations when choosing a metal shredder. How metal shredders contribute to the economy. Considerations when choosing a metal shredder. Capacity. Output specification. Environmental consciousness. Types of material to be processed. Maintenance. Safety. Chapter 6. What are the advantages and disadvantages of metal shredders, and what maintenance practices are required for them? Advantages of using metal shredders. Disadvantages of metal shredders. Maintenance procedures and safety measures of metal shredders. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right metal shredder manufacturers for your needs.